How to log in to Sprint account. So if you want to log in to your Sprint account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Sprint login, and after searching here on the first search you will have www.sprint.com, and under that you will have login to profile. So simply click on that login, and now it will take you to the login page. So what you have to do is here you need to enter your username and your password on these two blanks. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for sign up here, and then you can sign up to your account. But if you have an account and if you want to log in or sign in, then come back and enter your username and your password. But if you forgot your username or if you forgot your password, then you can go for I forgot my username or password. And after that you need to enter your username or your last name on account or your account number so that you can submit it, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your information, and then here you can click on this submit, and after submitting you will be logged into your Sprint account. So that's it. That's how you will log into your Sprint. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.